expert consultancy regarding how to become gold savvy. Within the last decade, the price of gold is increasing. Buying and selling gold could be very profitable, but only should you understand the market. Look into the following tips that will help you in making cash in on gold. Once you purchase gold, it is a great idea to complement billion bars. They are available in weights that vary. They could be as small as half an ounce or the size of 400 ounces. The 400-ounce bars are generally difficult to get. Keep with a reputable buyer when selling your gold. You will discover if they're trustworthy by exploring the BBB reviews. If you choose the proper buyer, you will have a great transaction. Don't let yourself be taken benefit of. Prior to buying or sell your gold, make sure you know how prices of precious metals work. With silver, platinum and gold, the values vary wildly through the day, and to obtain the correct price you must spot check it at the time before making an investment. Watching the current market can help you to buy or sell your gold in a great price. Don't target entities which are not licensed through the state to get gold. There's still a possibility to getting a bad deal, but chances are your buyer will be more than reputable. Will not be forced into selling towards the first buyer you discover when you are not happy with all the terms available. Before heading with one gold buyer, check around. You'll be amazed by all the different offers you'll get. Once you need to take buyer number one, you might generate losses. Think about this in advance to enable you to put as much as possible in your pocket. Carefully read and appearance the tiny print within the sales contract. If you are selling gold by mail, this really is even more important. Doing this, you will certainly be aware of the cut of the proceeds that will head to fees and commissions. Appraise jewelry before scrapping it. Jewelry that is handcrafted and different can be worth more sold as jewelry than as scrap gold. While you will get charged a small fee, it can earn you more cash down the road. They might even offer you a reference to a buyer. If there are any forms involved in your gold dealing, ensure that you read them word for word. Gold selling and buying is serious business, not much of a game. You need to know what you're signing. In case the terms are unacceptable, be ready to maintain looking. This could be necessary to protect yourself from financial disaster. Never sell your gold simply to sell it off. You desire to get the best price you may. If you attempt to sell quickly, you could possibly leave profits on the table. If you're effective in keeping your gold, you then just might have more advantages from it at a later time. To become smart investor in gold pieces, learn to test for that grade. Purity is rated in carats. The better the carats, the more pure and also the higher priced it can be per ounce. You cannot just go by the carat stamp. Understanding the best way to test gold's purity can help make certain you never overpay. Know who seems to be obtaining your gold. Specifically, if you are sending your gold via mail, it is vital that you know the individual is reputable. Companies which buy gold are listed with the BBB, so you may find out if complaints are listed for your vendor. As with other kinds of investments, gold needs to be held long term. This involves you to purchase gold regardless of what the current price is and not merely if the value is high. Actually, this is simply not when you wish to produce a great investment in gold. You can get a significantly better return on your investment if you buy and then sell on with the right moment. When you have gold that is gems within it, once it's melted down, find out if you're able to keep it. Some may be harder to remove than the others. Small gemstones will often have no value for dealers who melt down jewelry to reclaim the gold. Since gold is better like a long-term investment, don't worry about looking to buy when prices are low. You should look at it more along the lines of wealth insurance. If you wish to make an attempt to time your investing, buy during quiet market conditions. Gold shortages are typical as soon as the economy is rough. If you would like put money into gold but do not possess a lot of money upfront, that is okay. There exists nothing wrong with starting small. Purchase gold coins and jewelry when you have disposable cash, within that you can afford it basis. Your collection will almost certainly build with time. If you sell your gold jewelry, ensure every piece is weighed separately. Higher carat designations bring higher prices. As you can see, this is certainly counterproductive in order to get those most money in return, so it's important you separate the many carats. Go into the dealer together with your pieces already separated. If you mail your gold pieces to some buyer, develop a list with specifics about each item. Include that list using the mailer. And maintain a copy of the list in duplicate. The very first needs to be shipped in addition to the gold. One other needs to be kept to your records. An appraisal can assist you make sure you get the absolute lowest price on your own gold. It does cost money to obtain things appraised. But, the expense of an appraisal can pay for itself whether it keeps you being conned by way of a dealer. You need to know that you won't get wealthy by selling your old gold jewelry items. While television ads often indicate the limitless profit open to those who sell surplus gold items, the reality is less exciting. Plenty of sellers end up with just a couple $100. Seeing that you've read this, you have to know the way to get in the gold market. Effort, good research and smart investments help you make profitable decisions. Position the above tips to use if you want to be properly prepared.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL.